If you're getting a GOG error disk access message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue often happens because of permission problems, low disk space, antivirus interference, or another app blocking the installer from writing files properly. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything or spending hours troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is running GOG Galaxy as an administrator. To do that, close GOG Galaxy completely if it's already open. Then find the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it, and from the menu, choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Running it this way gives the app the extra permissions it needs to access your disk and write installation files correctly. A lot of disk access errors are caused by Windows blocking normal access, so this step alone can sometimes fix the issue immediately. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your available disk space. Make sure the drive you're installing to has enough free space for the game, plus some extra room for unpacking and temporary files. Even if a game looks like it should fit, the installer often needs additional space during setup. So open File Explorer, check the drive, and if it's almost full, delete unnecessary files or choose a larger drive before trying again. This is a very common cause of disk access and installation errors. Now let's move on to another common fix, which is temporarily disabling antivirus or firewall protection. Sometimes antivirus software sees GOG Galaxy or the game installer as suspicious and blocks it from reading or writing files. To test this, turn off your antivirus temporarily, and if needed, also disable the firewall for a moment. Then try the installation again. If the game installs successfully, you found the cause. Just remember to turn your security protection back on afterward. Antivirus tools are important, but they can sometimes interfere with file access during installs. Another useful fix is changing the install location. Sometimes the current folder, drive, or path has permission issues or conflicts with another program. To change it, open GOG Galaxy, click the Settings gear icon, then click Settings. From there, go to the Installing Updating section and change the installation folder to a different location. Ideally, choose a simple folder path on a drive with plenty of space, like a main game folder on your C drive or another healthy drive. After changing the location, try the installation again. This often fixes disk access problems when the original folder was the issue. You should also close unnecessary background apps before installing. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC, then look through the list of running apps and background processes. Close anything you don't need, especially file managers, sync tools, download managers, or other launchers that might be using the same drive. Some background apps can lock files or use up system resources, which can cause GOG to fail when trying to access the disk. The fewer conflicting apps running, the smoother the install usually goes. Once you've tried these steps, go back to GOG Galaxy and test the install or launch again. In many cases, one of these fixes will clear the error right away. The most important things to remember are administrator permissions, enough free disk space, temporarily testing with antivirus off, choosing a new install location, and closing background programs that might interfere. If the problem is still happening after that, it may be worth restarting your computer and trying again with a clean system session. But in most cases, one of the fixes in this video will get GOG working normally again. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful PC and software fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more GOG or gaming error solutions next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.